This is exercise number 4. Dear friend, this is MCQs type exercise in which there are 7 questions with 4 possible answers A, B, C and D. So we have to read the questions carefully and circle the correct answers. Let's see the first. What did both the friends do on the nearby canal on weekends? A. Laughed. B. Jogged. C. Swam. D. Fished. You know that they used to fish on the nearby canal on weekends. So D is correct. So encircle the D. Now look at the third. How did they feel when they visited the forest? A. Spellbound. B. Unhappy. C. Curious. D. Depressed. I think C is correct. They feel curious. So this is the way you have to follow and complete the exercise. Dear friends, stop the video here and complete all these 7 questions. And finally, resume the video and match your answers. Thank you very much.